Hey, how's it going? So I'm kind of at a weird spot fishing my favorite creek. If y'all watched my channel before, y'all definitely know which creek I'm about to fish. I literally fish it all the time, but I usually start further up, and I'm actually starting halfway now and fishing halfway down because I haven't fished this section all year, so I'm going to come down here and fish this section using small crawl is what I normally do. So hopefully I can get on some big fish and y'all enjoy this video. There's one. Starting off with a good start. Oh my gosh, look at this dude. I think I may have caught this fish before because I have one super marked up. Oh my goodness. I gotta get a picture of this guy. Awesome first start. Look at this. Oh, I gotta get my pliers out for this guy. I had him out of water for a little bit, so I'm just gonna let him sit there. You can see all the markings on him. Just look at them all along his back, everything. Beautiful fish. That red eye, silver behind his eye, the two silvers on the tips. Beautiful fish. Are you gonna leave? You wanna sit there and look at me? I may have caught that fish before. I've caught a really small one marked up before. I mean, I really want to doubt it. He just went under that hole. Pretty cool. There's one literally right below me. I'm gonna cast about right there. Looking at it. Come on, dude. You want it? I see you wanting it, bro. Come on, bro. I don't know. Maybe he sees me. Maybe he sees me. Cast it up a little bit right here. Oh, here he goes. Oh, there's a note. They're all right here. Come on, man. Just eat it. I ain't gonna eat you. I just want to stick a hook in your mouth. Oh, okay. Well, the other one came up and got it. He said, no. Oh, my God. I literally just sat here and played with these fish and lost them. Oh, what do I got? Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it stays on. Hopefully I got a good hook set. Oh yeah. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Yeah, that's a solid creek bass. Ooh. Alabama bass. Oh no, look. That's crazy. My hook broke off in it. Alright, got the hook out. Beautiful looking fish. There you go, buddy. I can't see him. Oh, hopefully I got a good hook set. Feels like a decent fish. Yeah, pretty decent fish. Another big Alabama bass, like the one I caught, or the last one I caught. chunky dude. Let me get a picture of this guy real quick. All right, I'm gonna sit around in the water a little bit, let him move around. All right, just splash him in the face. Oh, I didn't even feel the bite. He just sucked it in. It's so hard to tell. Red eye. Thanks for eating, bud. Another one out of the spot. Now I'm getting the smaller ones. Working down the pecking order, it seems. A little red eye. Another one. And he's putting up a fight. Oh, he got him out of whatever he got under. I think he darted underneath a log or something. Or a rock. What the heck? He probably came out of a rock and pulled it down there and got stuck. That's why he fought so hard. Because this, look at this little baby. You're just born probably. Got one. There'll be one in the back end of this pool. Hey, how's it going? So it's kind of hard to talk right now. It's kind of hard to fish with all these gnats buzzing around me. But it's springtime in Alabama. What are you gonna do? There's gonna be bugs everywhere. But this is the my last spot where I'm gonna stop at and start hiking back to where I was. So it's caught some really solid creek bass today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and watch the next one I post.